You've all seen these little devices all over the internet for sale, various names. They call it an SDR QRP ham transceiver, which it really isn't. There's no receive capability here. It is a signal generator. It can be used as such, and it's also can be used as a VFO, and I'm going to show you how. Incidentally, the price for this device is all over the place. They show it in different angles and they call it slightly different names, and you can pay anywhere from $30, $35 to $60. So if you're interested in one after you see this video, look around, don't buy the first one you see. This device, this box, which contains a little buffer amplifier, and I'll show you a schematic of that, a very simple circuit. And from there we go into the beautiful Johnson Viking Adventurer. Well, it's beautiful to me anyway. I've just made a few contacts with it. This is the reverse beacon network. 3 minutes ago, 7 minutes ago. I send slowly so it picks me up. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I'm slow anyway. So what do we got here? Maximum of 1,100 miles. Not too shabby. For less than 30 watts indicated. There's the close-up of the map. And the way I have this gimcrackied around, I receive with the FTDX10. I switch manually back from the transmitter to the receiver. And as you could see, that's the frequency I'm listening on. And that's the frequency the rig is on. And this thing is extremely accurate. What we do then is we switch to that's labeled IBCOM, don't let that bother you. Probably should listen again on frequency just in case. Okay, there hasn't been anybody there all evening, so we assume they're still not there. The thing that makes this kind of convenient for this kind of a lash up is this little button here. And you can hit that and you can hear the device, the oscillator running. And since we're now set up for the transmitter, and you can use your rig as a side tone. And no bites. Okay, I picked up 2 more stations on the reverse beacon network. It's about almost 9 o'clock in the evening. Usually the band starts this time of year it seems to be dropping out on me about now. The antenna, by the way, is a half-wave end-fed cut for 40, and it's twisted around a palm tree and up to tied off on a flagpole. Highest point's probably 17 feet. The point is, if you have an old boat anchor and you'd like to have a VFO, it certainly can be done. And we'll show you a picture of the circuit That's the fantastic big circuit there. Two 2N222s, a few capacitors, a few resistors, some perf board, and a box I paid $1 for. There's another video about that. So that's the story, and let's keep some of these old girls running for a while. 7-3.